Hey y'all, so just a couple of quick disclaimers about this video. Throughout the day, I took, a couple clips here and there of random things just throughout the day, but I didn't get any footage of the actual battles themselves because I didn't really have a way to mount the GoPro that I brought with me. I just forgot all the attachments and yeah, I was planning to just have it like mounted on my chest or something, but I forgot everything back at home. I got a couple shots of different things throughout the day. I didn't actually get any footage of the actual battles themselves, so sorry for that, but I hope you guys enjoy this video anyway. I know it's going to be kind of choppy, but you get what you get.
Yeah. At least going behind him so we know we can pull through because this fog on the windows is bad.
You fire, and when you do, you can either drop prone or you can go back to the hay bales. The German crew is going to come out of their vehicle and act like they're trying to repair the damage. Then they're all going to get taken out by U.S. infantry.
And then I see Captain Dale die, and I'm like, oh. Okay, this is going to be good. No, it was really good. I like features. I'm like, wait, this is too short. It was about a bunch of American POWs in the Japanese prison camp, and the 6th Ranger Battalion to completely liberation camp. Wow, that was pretty good. Yeah. And at the end of the movie, during the credits, he was showing a bunch of
Oh, pick it up.
100. Fine.
Like when I was in, all the tall people up front running.
Yep. Or just everybody else behind them walking up.
I ended up in the rear of the It sounds like a bicycle with a baseball card in the spokes.
Remember that Tiger, that thing is a bicycle with a carbon.
Yeah.
Where?
Korea. Will you send me a link?
Didn't Chris fucking VAR? You can't afford it.
No.
You guys ever went around first?
No, thank you.
I want to see like 2 or 3 of them go for like full bore on the field. Like, can I just pull it out and sit back up?
Never mind.
Running in the front. Just like Wartime. Hey, just like Wartime. You're behind it. Run faster and
All right, guys. 29th, go ahead and start moving.
Us two?
Alright, this is where you guys sit together.
No guard.
Watch the vehicle. Watch the vehicle.
They weren't bad. A sniper, a Volkssturm sniper building. They had millimeter mortars.